any 0302216561 0302216562 winning numbers e did you medi Ofie Kwanso radia ye mo akonya na frɛ na edanya me ase won pempen so awode waduri Edipacho betimi afrɛ me sisi a me ma referee say not na free sabi kopem se bebo nwure no si afrɛ me Jerry Justice Area many G7 we share e wo Ofie Kwanso dwumedie so Asada kese nkoma Papa Bills e bin koma African e bin koma Kitty Watade na efe pa efatao pa Ewe wa smart say wow ho hadada You looking very smart this afternoon yeah As they do some come zoo so no so born home modern said down the day nyina ye tenase a dey cost wa head na e betimi na atifu na so a check almost wa hwe no mo hunu dey cost in the studios enti en sha se mfa calls no na ye mfa nda nyame ase Ofie Kwanso radia ye
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Baji.
What's your first name?
Your friend is Bella. Na mi kasa freedom to my.
Vera.
Bella.
Great.
Yeah.
Bella Mpacho yet you.
Me kasa mi zanya mi ase. Wa mabwa bon ho. Mi ni anu muni na so abon ye ho ban. Ama afi. Asa kwa between. No I share so I'm a bonny beyond without a radiance so
you Bella that's a power true was in one Hello Good afternoon Hey honorable
Hello
now as to say
Pacha I'm not doing our say
nice miss me where pa you deal
Pacha Masu mi dara na si de. Mi kata phone biom. Na muntu mi dara na si pa. Na mi cha utefun. Na mi cha mi kabi fashion na ni do akuma foster. E ko obi mi cha.
Okay.
Na na mi customers num na mi cha cho bibia.
You. Yeah that's a pa. Honorable Nyamisha why? That's also. Hello,
Jerry. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What from my sister Joanna?
Hey, sister Joanna, me proud of no. Nice one, Pacho. Ain't you? I can tell.
Na wala dama kumado. Me darling. Me yanku brebo. What friend Mrs. Dinah Hagan. Mr. Flukun, Mr. Kojo Hagan. What was it 20 years in? Na materi simbukewa. Baby on brana dandan narampo. Na mini nyano wo. Enti me catch Dinah Hagan there. What bia nyame no wo.
Amen.
Onyame hira no. Jerry was nyame hira.
Amen. Me da se pa nyame hira, right?
Amen.
Bye bye. Wow. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
What's your first name?
Nana Temple New, Ashawana State.
Nana Temple.
Yeah. Temple.
Okay. You.
Medanyamia se. Sir, Wabono ba besi December no bushia for ne Christ Apostolic Church for Banibian train. Medanyamia se soma Adom se for Yamishamo.
Amen. Yes, we that's power for your call. First caller, hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frosty.
But I'm the Teresa, make a topic and summer market.
Right, Sister Teresa and Patrick, it's you.
But this time, we then have to. After we don't want to be the last, maybe I said, baby, or the fair boy is now.
Oh, sir. Right.
After so, maybe I know no more than summer market. And Monica. And that's me. Last month, like this month, was their birthday. You see, then I asked mom baby. After that, so much at the phone, na. You papa, I did a movie stand on my.
Amen. Yamen can right. Ever for last 3 calls. There it is. Hello.
Hello,
good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Patrick Frosty.
I'm Reverend Shadrach.
Reverend Shadrach. Duncan. Ganza. Oh, okay. Patrick, it's you.
I'm the Mama Brabo, and the Vladimir Bedroom. I feel when I did my faith. And then more some rather the one year. I'm about swing a 1 year. This month, and then I feel when you're ultimate so me. Also, when you're not and drag.
Okay.
Then I'm asking the on your wise. Once I mean, some of you, my program is fantastic.
You. Amen. Yes, sir, that's a pass of Frey. I fear before last 2 calls near the sea. Hello, last but one. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Your friend saying.
Patrick, your friend with Deborah.
Hey, Debbie, Bibi Aboko there.
Pastor, make us a so Iron City.
Okay, you too.
Yes, your friend and your say. So I wear home by now, man, I watch it. Query, and that's why your team. You're stress. Your Iron City. And your mother and your piece of phone, I said, and your say. And I rather say that your say, Mount Quan. Baby, I still, your fellow fire, look what I'm wild, dear. And then you fire, your father, so
you, Yami Shamuna, Yami Shamuna. Bye bye. Ooh, you're for last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon,
Patrick Frosty.
Yeah, I said, Belém, because every country.
Nana Bibi Aboko there. Okay. Right, you too.
Taking for say Omo and Yajuma Pa, Uyamo, my
yeah, you almost read almost.
Gradually, Mamina, Chilean Punyanku Fancy. So I my boy say, so what do you call Asadia Pa? Not yet, the mother would be more get you more Fusania. Maybe I see Dama Chilean Punyanku. What say any muscle that we get them low and Sunyaku Pan don't. The two women can no lady, and the children for young to find that I was young to find you are a camphor, you're so for fun. Our Ablabo Pania 6 Napa, Udiago or my gun. Gradually, then Yamin can no more and
Amen. Yes, sir, that's a pa. Eat me for free, baby, and I, baby, my quina, ya did. Of Eddie can hear Radia SC. Your first was the man fecal spray starch. Patrol fatwa there. Now don't say we will be a umpe iron and crowd when you bet you home. That will be so I know probably sound there may all would do now be iron in there because a iron here very easy. The bed then so pa. Yeah, so penny energy man. Now the twa there say material and near that cry is and so the fecal spray starch a good swat tuntino. Was a near monocrat said and rank one out on. Now it's I say a suntino. Who spray a check and sana san. Beto ade we na nice fragrance. Fecal spray starch, looky sharp. I available at shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you know? To drop on the honest Samara company for needs our show. Petra Trust and so say Maudachi Winyao and they are what they want to go to find out say one employer no and you be a tier 2 contributions no utua breno and answer wuntua as I say utimi hunu. Why no trustee ya dachi no betua for lump sum benefit the amount at retirement as say utimi hunu. from or trusting and verify details nina and who be here so be correct any irregularities be a wine and temper say Petra phone manage you the animal they are very simple what to you phone about *447*70# now select the option 5 next submit your contact details nina for verification. For further inquiries visit www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. It is now 3:45 UTI 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Kojak Pharma Limited, and also NMI Kojak Sensitive Toothbrush. I feel Kojak P and then Kojak F toothpaste, and a Kojak P and Kojak F mouthwash. Udi adia ede now se femo. Udi adia shield one pan, a hot one now se femo. And so we use Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash now the choosing. Ebejai. What the severe one pan now? The patrol use Kojak P toothpaste. For choose we are not in the mouthwash no. As some from Wenumusa. Yensa for 4 weeks later no I switch it to Kojak F. Ebeko. Upper best result I now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush na kan. They are available at pharmacy shops out in across the country. Do panel. Call Kanshi Drug Lane necessary Kojak from a shark crime or and yes, our phrase 0249-209-920 and our 0260-870-780. Finally, as they do on here from our Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited, GT Bank. And a GT Bank net Visa International Kabumu air rewarded customers on be making payments with their Visa or debit or prepaid card with an unforgettable AFCON experience. Very simple. Free Sabri Akopim the 10th of June 2019. 2 customers on be use of Visa cards no for a minimum of 20 online and POS transactions no. We need a fun pack trip for 2 to Egypt. Share any AFCON group stage game be of your choice. Now, one lucky customer, we need the ultimate prize no, and that's to travel with the award. Who will also escort a star player right from the tunnel to the pitch. What I say? So between June and July, make sure so be use GT Bank Visa cards now to do at least 1 transaction daily for a week. So be able to pass to an AFCON viewing party. Transact with your GT Bank Visa card and win. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, for 050-144-9490. Afi 050-140-9480. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Adom was a song so as name my idea of any kind of radio Abril. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. And she be a bit here somewhere to on for media so but before we do that no. A baby a Ghana ni. Nanso oye omo from half caste for we be. Na ye won wo Germany. Na ye deporte ne papa. Wa bra no ye very young craft na na ya won foforo. And they when ye abedu 30 years. Na ohunu ne papa no. Just say ohunu ne da because ye deporte ne papa from Germany na oye kete cry. Now half cast in any bread and then pan or shishani papa kwan. And then social media sorry I didn't go for we can use that to help her to link her to the father. What I say. Before the close of the day and as you be reassured no. Me post in the picture no. Now no me posti ne picture no na your blessings are with somewhere to you for an area with Ofie Kwanso media so. Right, and asem where you to your home for Ofie Kwanso media so no asem no wo brofo kasem no say learn to encourage yourself and decide to stay focused in life. Search deep within your soul and you will find strength when you feel weak. Tibimu, learn to encourage yourself and decide to stay focused in life. Search deep within your soul. You will find strength when you feel weak. Etoda, you don't need someone to encourage you. And yet there be an obe he will be a show crying. Actually say, oh, and yes, that's not the end. Oh, you don't want to be to me. Sometimes one kasa would do no. As a so to me show home crying. Sometimes one kasa would do no. As a so one kasa utimi gina brane na wow catch ho say ubetimi aye ama ye na mo wani da ho na wani kum ade a woyɛ no ho ɛma nneɛma bi ɛntwetwetwe ho ɛma wadwen ɛnyɛ wo tanta na fa wadwen si ade a woyɛ no so na ɛto kɔ so anɛyɛ wankasa hwehwɛ mu paa na wobɛhu sɛ ahoɔden a wohia ɛsɛ sɛ wode tu anamɔ de bɔ saa ɔbrɛ yi ɛwɔ waa mu na mmom ɛni obi foforɔ mu ɛtɔ da a ɛberɛ mu ɔden bɛba ɛtɔ da a wotumi sɛ woayɛ mmerɛ but sɛdeɛ asɛm yi ka kyerɛ no sɛ ɛhwɛ yɛn mu paa wohwɛ waa wo kra mu paa yie a waa wobɛtumi anya saa ahoɔden no afiri waa mu na wode atoa so akɔ w'anim dan sɛ wobɛrely on obi foforɔ hwɛ no koraa ka ɔsɛ deɛ ɔde ne ho to nipa so no onwie no meɛnka deɛ ɔde no because wo rely on onipa bɛdi hwɛ mo but you can rely on your own self ɛno nti no asɛm a ɛdi to yɛmfoɔ nɛ no ɔsɛ learn to encourage yourself and decide to stay focused in life. Search deep within your soul and you find strength when you feel weak. Nyame ka ho normal sa akokoduro no na etimi fatu anamon e wa brabo mu na ebewi oye. Nya da bia na ade ho betu bi so. Nya da bia na be rely on obi. Sometimes it has to come from you yourself. Na etimi aboa mo etimi edu ba bia esese odu. Yemfe so aseda ma MTN. Yadom wasepa. Ene MTN for Daruma. Almost so betimi enjoy amazing hot deals. Come pa. Wa bra ma on saka MTN smart feature phone here abaso ebi. Na on saka phone ibia. Oba be enjoy 500 MB of data every month for 6 solid months only on MTN. So you too can experience a cool smartphone that has WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, front camera so you can capture all your special moments, all the memory that you need to store your data and then other amazing features. Yani now phone back so for just 150 cedis per. Now, that's a smartphone at a smart price. Timansanka this is here. Mansanka the MTN shops I don't need any other retail outlet. I don't know and browse like never before with 500 MB free data for 6 months only on MTN. We there for you everywhere you go. Roma insecticide spray. We are another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Abusia, you deserve the best. Go for Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Period. Umyan say for welcome morning na why free ubeda filia sudaya kesi sa na wanimu na akro no. How be any echi. Available shops and stores and supermarkets out on na emu. And what you know, Bima Insurance. We ene eboa wene omuguso mo sorte nkrofo a na Bima ebe sorte wonso ama bibia akoye e di amount. Now imagine say with as little as 6 cities only your family ebetimi enjoy unlimited medical advice from a Bima doctor over the phone